I'm going to show you how I made these squirrel picnic feeders out of some old fence pickets. Here's a shot of my drawing, but you could really make this any size you want. The first step was to rip everything down to the proper size on the table saw. Once everything was ripped down to the proper size, I used my miter saw to chop everything up. To keep everything consistent and to make it go faster, I put some lines on my makeshift wooden fence. I marked center on all the pieces so that I could line it up during assembly. I start assembling the legs first, and this is the easiest way that I found. I kind of sandwich the legs together using the seat brackets. That way the legs stay at the proper angle, and then I use another seat bracket to make a space for the actual bracket that I'm going to glue and nail in place. Once you have two of the leg assemblies assembled, it's time to add the top. Just add some glue and then use your center line to line up the tabletop and then nail it. Here it is, all ready for the seats, and here is my giant tower of tables. Before going any further, I went ahead and drilled a hole in the tabletop for the screw. To assemble the seats, I brace it on my workbench, and then I use another seat to add a gap. Then I just glue it and nail it. To attach the back mounting board, I put it in place and then put a couple lines on it. That way I know where to put the glue on the table. I use a little bit longer nail here because it's going into a lot of wood, and this is what is going to support the whole table. Here it is, all put together. The only thing left is to take it to the drill press and put a couple holes for the mounting screws. And add the screw to the tabletop to hold the corn cob. Here it is, all complete. All I need to do is get a corn cob and put it outside. Thanks for watching.